ma'am, welcome sa Sip and Go po. Ano pong sa inyo?
Isa pong matcha latte, lychee, green apple, and strawberry milk.
Repeat order ko lang po, isang strawberry milk and isang matcha latte, isang green apple, lychee, soda base. Yun lang po.
Apo.
Total of 236 lang po.
Here po.
I received it. Total amount.
What's your story and purpose po sa coffee shop?
Our course, ang coffee shop po namin na Sip and Go is started as a small idea to give people a quick but quality coffee experience. Gusto po namin na kahit busy po yung customers, makakuha po sila o makakabili po sila ng sarap na kape at affordable po. And so hanggang ngayon po, we continue grow while keeping our simple and friendly service.
Hello po. Good afternoon po. Pwede po kayong interviewin?
Yeah, sure po.
Ito po yung question. How would you describe your overall experience with the service here?
Satisfied po kasi affordable siya and yung quality ng coffee nila nagmamatch sa kanyang coffee.
Gaano na po kayo katagal sa Sip and Go?
Tagal na po. Simula po mismo nang nag-Boston, dito na po kasi ako tao na po rin.
What is your mission as a business?
Our mission is to serve good quality coffee with fast and friendly service. Siyempre gusto po namin maging part ng daily routine ng customers. So we aim to make them feel satisfied and happy every time po na bibisita sila and bibili po sila.
Do you usually interact with customers during your service?
Ano po? Kung ako man po sa sarili ko, kasi minsan pumapasok din po ako dyan. Yung ginagawa ko po is i-greet po ako sa customer with a smile and then sinasabi ko, good day po, hello po, ganon. And then I make sure to listen carefully po sa mga order nila and confirm it clearly. So, and I also thank them po after serving and making sure that they always welcome.
How do you make sure your team consistently provides quality service?
We train our staff to always be polite, respectful, and attentive to customers po. So, pinapaalala po namin na sa kanila na importante po yung good attitude and consistency sa serbisyo po. And then, we also monitor their performance po. So, nagbibigay rin po kami minsan ng feedback, ganun, para po mas mahubog po yung isang staff namin o yung isang tao namin o para mas gumaling po siya.
That's all po. Thank you po sa pag-serve sa amin and sa pakipag-participate sa interview.
Hindi po. Salamat po.